Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I gonna upload this video very late because I was busy. So yeah, let's start the video. Today video is about cloud computing. As we know, cloud computing is the future. Cloud computing helps us to learn knowledge, and without it, we can't do anything in this era of 21st century. So yeah, let's discuss cloud computing. First, discuss what is cloud computing. The question is, what is cloud computing? The cloud helps to reduce investment in technological infrastructures, optimize flexibility, mobility, etc. In short, cloud computing simplifies use by helping to get rid of the constraints of traditional computer tools, deploying and update software, storage space, accessibilities of data, etc. Now let's discuss definition and advantages of cloud computing by the website Whisper. I highly recommend to read this website article. It's genuine. I highly recommend you to, and it's based on true knowledge. Definition and advantages of cloud computing. For several years now, cloud computing has been central to many IT projects. This is why we have chosen today to discuss the top 5 advantages of cloud computing. Number 1 is the cloud helps to reduce investment in technological infrastructures, optimize flexibility, mobility, etc. Definition of cloud computing. Let's discuss it again. Cloud computing are remote service platform used to store information and execute applications. It lets you run services and data online by request via simple internet connection. The idea is to forward processing to an externalized infrastructure. It becomes useless to install software locally onto each user terminal or each company server. Accessibility and mobility. One of the greatest advantages of the cloud is the accessibility of resources, data, applications, etc. Indeed, users can access their tools from anywhere at any time and from any type of device, as long as they are connected to the internet. Now let's discuss flexibility. Thanks to cloud computing, services become completely flexible and can be adjusted at any time depending on the needs and business of your company. Your company can reduce or increase resources available, paying only for what it consumes. Updating and scalability. Another important advantage of cloud computing is that your service provider, in addition to taking care of maintenance, takes care of all updates of the service, which allow you and your employees to concentrate more efficiently on your assignments, your jobs, and at the same time optimize your productivity. Optimize security. Cloud computing provides increased security compared with traditional and internal infrastructure in a company. Control costs. The last advantage we will mention in this article is that cloud computing allows for a greater control of costs related to your IT infrastructure. So yeah, that is the article. It yeah, I forgot it. Published by the Whisper website. It has many. You can disagree with my decision if you don't wanna go and learn this Whisper website, but yeah. So yeah, that's it for today video about Whisper. Whisper is one of the major publishers dedicated software for the virtualization of workstation, while our vision is to reinvent VDI to offer efficient workstation with the lowest TC of the market. So yeah, that's it for today video. Hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe my channel because it motivates me a lot. Whenever a person subscribe my channel, it gives me more effort to make content for you guys. Yeah, guys don't know it took a lot of effort to make such kind of videos. So yeah, whenever someone subscribe, it means a lot. So yeah, that's it for today video. Hope you like the video. Comment below which video you should watch next week, and I will see you next time.